So hello guys, this is your Musafir. Finally, after like 2.5 hours of hectic drive, good morning from Goa. Finally we are leaving Goa. We'll be heading towards the South Goa. We are going to Butterfly Beach actually, then Savior Church and then let's see. क्योंकि कल भी ऐसे ही प्लान किया था तो nothing went according to the plan. So today we are not planning. Today we are just going blindly to the South Goa. Let's see, अगर अच्छा लगता है तो we'll stay. Short room tour. Let's go. So this is a bed. That's one. That's the washroom. We got this room for almost like 1,200 bucks a day. So we got it for 2 days. This is how we are managing. थोड़ी तकलीफ हो रही है but lot of luggage. So this is the shack. So hello guys, this is your Musafir. Finally, after like 2.5 hours of hectic drive, हम पहुंच गए. It's too hot. I'm just waiting to go inside the water. So as you can see, we are into a small jungle. अभी और कम से कम 1-8 किलोमीटर पैदल चलना होगा and then हम वो बीच देख पाएंगे. So I hope you love the beach. Till that, enjoy the cinematic shots. As soon as I reach home, I'm gonna buy a camera bag. It's really important for me because I can't carry my drone, my camera stuff in my tank bag anymore. बहुत हो गया अभी. So we met some lovely people. Say hi guys. Hello. So we are heading towards the Butterfly Beach. Even we are lost. They were lost. We're together finding the way. So after this much of trek, या पैदल चलना बोलो, and we are here, man. We are here. I'm gonna jump into the water. Yes. And this is what we came for. The beach. Can you see it? We are here, man. We are here. You. Mangesh, what do you think? Actually, थक चुका है ना बहुत. He didn't sleep well. Oh man, just love it. Just love it here. कहाँ से होंगे? पुनेरी, पुणेकर. Everyone from Pune, right? So tell me your name, guys. Then come on. Rahul, Nikhil, Sanket, okay, Mehul, and one more. Alvin. So that's Alvin. All are from Pune. Finally we are leaving the beach. Hope you like the drone shot, the B-roll. So this is the end where we say goodbye. अब यहाँ तक आ गए तो मंगेश क्या करना है जरा बताओगे इनको?
सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर.
हाँ, क्या करना है? सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर. चलो, see ya guys, bye bye.